Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So let's see today's daily challenge on Leetcode and try to solve it together. So we have quite an easy problem for today. Find lucky integer in an array. How do you define a lucky integer? Given an array of integers, a lucky integer is an integer that has the frequency equals to its value. So return the largest such integer. If there is no such integer, just return -1. So what you can do is very simple. You just store all frequencies. You just store all frequencies in a map. After storing all frequency, you just iterate through the key comma value pairs of the map. Iterate through key comma value pairs, and then just check when key equals to value. As you can see here, it's given that the frequency has equal in the array is equal to the value when key is equal to the value. So when you do this thing, you just store it in the answer. Okay, store in answer. Also, you need to initialize answer to -1 because if there is no such integer, it will return -1. So let's try to solve this problem. Let's see if this thing is like n. Okay, so we do array dot size and answer also we initialize to -1. Now we take a map integer comma integer. We store the frequency of all the elements in the map. It's very simple. We just go through all the elements of this array and just increment the corresponding map. Okay, corresponding element frequency in the map. So initially all the elements are marked as 0, and we just increment that particular frequency. So after having all the frequencies in the map, we just iterate through the map. Now iterating through the map is very simple. If you don't know, you iterate in this way: key comma value pairs. You should always iterate in this way. Uh, so you see the key comma value pairs. You are iterating through the map, and if you ask them that if key is equal to your value, if it is true, then just update your answer. Just update your answer. Okay. Uh, with the key. Okay, with the key because that's the answer which you are asked for, and just return answer. So that's all you need to do for this problem. I hope this was a very simple problem for you. This should be a very simple problem because the types of problems we have done earlier in the daily challenge were much more difficult. So I guess this was one of the shortest one and also the easiest one. So let's try to run this code and check if it works. So see, we have this accepted. Let's try to submit it and check. So you see, we have the 100% runtime complexity also. Uh, so yeah, that was all. That was all for this problem. You can try it in some other ways also, like the arrays dot length is just 500. So instead of storing it in a map, try to do it in a vector of length 500. That might help you to increase your complexity, decrease your that memory complexity. Okay, so that was all. It's nothing much to say here. I have nothing much to say. It's quite simple, beginner level problem definitely. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much.